Legendary made this one.
I got trappers in the field jogging with the metal. I got brothers in the system cooking in the kettle. Couple friends doing well, big buggers in the bezel. Couple friends doing bad, quick to sting you like a nettle. Rolling with a weapon, I ain't got time for gym. Half the team's locked up, got me screaming the bin. Used to play football, then the streets fully sucked me in. Trying to balance trapping and sports like above the rim. I've brought channels back to life. Ask P1101, I can resurrect your line. I got fiends for your phone, I ain't a shooter, I'm a shot. I still got sweets for the chrome, known to make chips. I can put peas on your dome. Had power from young like Goku. Shots bell back, foods 10-10, no boo. Fans think I got it nice but don't know what I go through. Everyone's a rapper now, spitting what they don't do. Satin by those borders, plotting on these millies. Put tens to the face, got me popping all these pillies. Big buds in the grow, looking like some purple lilies. Throw it in a Rizzo wood, we ain't smoking on them Phillies. Making plays like an NBA all-star. Eating fillet steaks on hot plates with a porn star. Ain't talking about a bitch, talking about a cocktail. My older took the gun try, so me and Cairo got bail. I work wide, chasing what you're in the ends. Chasing Crown Cali to Vegas, back and forth. Got my spots breaking out, my pounds will get me stuck. So I made the packs change around. I buy my boxes in the bin. I could never see a drought. Haters mad at me like I got this shit on a plate. Did you forget when I was bummy up on Nell Lane Estate? Street robs on pedal bike. Me and Shaq moving bait, putting two for Ben, stacking up my dough for some weight. I'm with my Cuban plug, eating Cuban grub, trying to bounce back from these L's, not in the mood to club. Hand me down days, looking for some shoes to scrub. I could never go back, why'd you think I choose to jog? Whacked up on the supers, going full throttle, 2-seat ding dongs. I can make the cute wobble, flew my white birds in stones, then a grey goose bottle, cocaine bricks. Ain't talking about a cute model. Just whipped it, told the shop keep the sink prof before I bounce. Wipe the pot and scales with the pink cloth. We done everything in a book you can think of. Remember licking 30 brands with bullet jids and big broth. Hitting stains every day, corners the lick down. Took a chase with little Aki, put me on a quick one. Started thinking out the box, come up with a sick plan. I was selling stones, making more than a brick man.
Look, why they talking like they shot something? I be driving past the feds, I ain't got nothing. I remember he was gobsmacked, same. So I told him I ain't got no box for them. Driving around with the pots in my boot. I told Steve that my brother's up. Ain't even there in vibe, it's probably by the lights. Steve's a good lad, he knows I got fire food. Last year I was creeping up the ladders, but this year I'm coming straight for the door. Back a day I used to with some badders, but nowadays you know I'm coming for my throne. Sometimes I've got to tell you what it's pause. You see me on the life, but none of it's yours. It's not talking dog. I'm the man up in my hood, ask your bitch dog. She knows I'm the I'm going all out. Can't stop till my brothers, them are all out. We got wax but holler me if there's more about. It's been peak every time we had to roll out. I'm the hardest, what you talking about? And if you ain't making peas, what's this talk about? I'm all about my drinks like the walkabout. Just know I'm getting sales when I walk about. Don't mention my name if you don't know me. I'm not the guy you wanna be approaching. And if I'm with homies, don't approach me. Only home to leave motherfuckers so clean. I don't know why they tryna hate on the kid. Like I roll back my tin out and go and split bits. My oldest looking at me like, here's a little but say the wrong thing, you know I bust my ting. I broke my first whiz up, now I can't stop buying them. Say you got swizz-ups, but you hollering for the lineup. You made a loss, but you rolled, but you crying them. Road to road, you take losses and supply them. Yeah, so fuck what you heard. My bro nearly caught a body, then he caught a bird. So don't get on my nerves. The last time I poked him up, I poked him in his nerve. I'm from the 33rd. Remember nearly went to jail on the 31st. But I've never been a nerd. Only bust K cause I was just like a nerd. When I first started rapping, used to do this for fun. But nowadays I gotta show these fake rappers who's boss. I remember I was pissed when I took my first loss. But then I bounced back and I broke down the box. Yeah, I'm a little brown boy that they hate on. No one gave me a fucking line, I had to create one. Had to post up beside the shots on a late one. Now I'm glad I done that cause my line it's a great one. Life ain't easy or I would've been rich. Man, I took bare losses, guess calm as a in court when I was 10, scared like a bitch. But my brothers always told me one thing, never snitch. Always found wits when I come through. I had a lot of food I had to run through. I had a lot of dreams that I